Hi Momentors! Today we'll be looking at 5 fixer-upper homes that are located in Kingston and St. Andrew that are going for an asking price of less than 15 million JMD. So 5 fixer-upper properties in Kingston under $15 million. Thanks for watching another Moments by Boothe video. If you're new to the channel, I am Akeem Boothe, real estate YouTuber and realtor, and this is your one-stop shop for all things Jamaican real estate. But enough of the chattings, I know you're ready for the video. Are ready? Run me intro. Alright, so the first property is on Spanish Town Road and it's going for 6.5 million Jamaican dollars or 42,139 USD, right? So let's look at the images of this apartment first. And this one is less on the fixer upper side, but I think it still could do with some renovations and some modernization. But if you bought this and wanted to turn it into an Airbnb, for instance, I believe that could work as well. So if you're looking for an investment property, I think this could definitely suit your fancy. So the property is located in the working class area of Dela Cree Pen. This relatively large apartment complex comprises of several blocks of 4-story buildings. The apartment is on the 3rd floor of Block D. Alright, this is a starter home consisting of 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, kitchen with wall and floor mount timber cupboards. So 2 bed, 1 bath, 572 square feet internally. It is an apartment, of course. And amenities include garden area, it's grilled, you have additional parking. Water is from National Water Commission. The construction is block and steel, finished concrete, slab roof, ceramic tiling. Yeah, so that is the first of 5 properties. You guys can tell me what you think in the comment section down below. But I do believe this could make an Airbnb or a first-time home for someone. So maybe like a young adult who has lived in, say, Spanish Town, who has always wanted to move to Kingston. This could be a starter home for an individual like that. Alright, so let's jump into property number 2. Alright, so house 2 or home 2, which is an apartment, is located in Boothe and it is located at an apartment complex called Lakeside Apartments. So these are the pictures for Lakeside Apartments. So let's go through them one by one. One by one. So as you can see, it's an older style apartment. And this one definitely needs a bit of TLC. Fortunately for you guys, if you do buy this particular property, I have the requisite individuals who can come out, assess it, and completely renovate this space for you and make it into what you want it to be. Alright, so that's it for the pictures. Let's jump into the details of this property. So, Lakeside Apartments is an older unit that was built around 1996. The occupants are primarily owners and efforts are ongoing to keep the unit in good repair with painting, facelifts, and installation of an electronic gate. Maintenance is low and the property offers quiet relaxation with views of a pond and the ocean in the backdrop. So this particular property is going for 8 million Jamaican dollars or 51,884 USD. It is a 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, 600 square feet apartment. Alright. The floor is terrazzo, which is common for flooring from the 1900s. Again, National Water Commission is a water source. It is an apartment. Wheelchair access, grilled, fully fenced, fully walled, unfurnished. Slab roof, finished concrete, and block and steel construction. And that is it for property number 2. Don't forget guys to comment down below and let me know what you think of these homes that I'm showcasing today as fixer uppers, or properties that you can fix and flip or fix and rent. Investing in real estate is how you create generational wealth, people. Don't forget that, all right? So the third apartment is at the Olympic Court Apartments, and this particular apartment is being sold for 9 million Jamaican dollars, or 58,866 USD. Let's look at the pictures of this apartment. So this apartment is definitely a fixer upper apartment. It needs some modernizing for sure, for sure. But it is one you can again buy, fix up, and flip. Can make a $2 to $3 million on it, or you can fix it up and rent it out and have monthly income coming in, or you can fix it up and turn it into an Airbnb, and you have, well, it can be daily. If your Airbnb is booked out daily, then you can have daily income coming in. All right, so that's the vision when we're looking at some of these fixture upper properties, is for investment purposes mostly. So this is a 2 bed, 1 bath, 570 square feet apartment, and again it's going for $9 million. It is grilled. The parking spaces are there for you to park. Apartment. National Water Commission is how you get your water. Black and steel construction, finished concrete, slab roof, and the flooring is a mixture. I don't know a mixture of what. Can we discern it from the pictures? Looks like tile. And let's see what it looks like. Tile and it looks like tile right throughout. So I don't know why they say mixture, but there must be a reason why they say mixture. But yeah, that's it for property number 3. Comment down below and let me know what you think of this. Let me know how you would reimagine this particular apartment for yourselves, or to turn it into an investment property for you. The fourth property that we'll be looking at today is located in Stony Hill, Kingston 8, St. Andrew. So let's jump into it. So this particular property is being sold for 10.2 million JMD, or 65,700 USD. And this is located in the Golden Meadows area, Boone Hall Oasis. Let's jump into the pictures. So as you can see, it is a green and lush area. Even on this rainy day, everything still looks green, lush, beautiful. And we like that it is an apartment complex. As you can see, these are the pictures of the outside. So this is inside. It looks like you come inside, dining room table, kitchen area, kitchen and living in one, so it's open concept. So they didn't show us any of the bedrooms, and I think it does have 2 bedrooms. Let's go down and see. So it is actually a 2 bedroom. So it's a 2 bed, 1 bath, ideal for young professionals or a young family. The apartments and grounds are well maintained and in mint condition. And it says call to make arrangements to view. Again, it's 2 bed, 1 bath, 500 square feet. And it has garden area, water tank, grill, built-in kitchen, multiple parking spots, black and steel construction, finished concrete, slab roofing, and terrazzo flooring. So that's it for this particular apartment. I wish they had shown us more of the inside, more specifically the bedrooms, but they neglected to do so. I don't know why, but again, this does look like a Airbnb opportunity to me because of the lush greenery in and around. And I know there's a big pond on the outside that can be an attraction for persons as well. But yeah, let me know if this one interests you guys or not. Again, it's in the Stony Hill area, so it's a bit on the outskirts of generally where most people would consider Kingston, but it still falls in the Kingston 8 area if I'm not mistaken. If you live or know this area, you can comment down below and let me know if I'm mistaken or not, or I am indeed correct. But yeah, that's it for home number 4. So we're about to jump into home number 5, which is the very last home that we'll be looking at today as it pertains to these fixer upper homes that you can possibly invest in to be investment properties for you. So the fifth and final property is located in Kingston 16, more specifically I think Franklin Town, and it is a 5-bed 2-bath that is being sold for 11 million JMD or 71,947 USD. Right now, let's look at the pictures that are provided for us for this property. So based on what I'm seeing, it's as though we're only going to be seeing pictures of the outside, which lets me hypothesize that this is indeed a fixer-upper property, just like I had mentioned in the beginning of this video. Not to fret though, unless this is a foreclosed property or a private treaty. In 9 out of 10 cases, you will be able to view the entirety of the property with your designated realtor, such as myself, should you want to make a purchase of this property. All right, so you wouldn't be blind buying. You would actually get to see what you're investing in to know if it makes sense for you, for it to be an investment property, for it to be somewhere you want to live full time, and so on and so forth. But let's jump into the description and see what they have left on the website about this property. So this is a fixer upper house, just like I was saying, located in Franklin Town, Kingston 16. It's fully fenced. Parking is on the street. It is a house, National Water Commission. It's where you get water from. It is constructed from block, steel, and wood. The exterior finishes are wood finishes with finished concrete, slab roof, ceramic tiling, and wood floor. Now, from the 5 properties that I showcased here today, which one of these 5 properties do you see yourself investing in if you would, or which of these properties you don't see yourself invested in, or do you not see yourself investing in any of these properties? Leave all that information down below, and that can give me some assistance in knowing what type of properties you guys are interested in seeing, because of course I did these properties in chronological order as it pertains to the price, and you see we're at 11 million now, and these are what is available currently on the market. So I can do another video of Kingston from 11 million upwards going towards that 20 million range, just so you guys can see some more affordable options within the Kingston and St. Andrew area. Or if you want me to change parishes and do a video of another parish in a particular price bracket, you guys can let me know as well, and I can do that for you, no questions asked. But that has been it for another Moments by Boothe video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do appreciate each and every time you click one of my videos, you watch even 1 second, 2 seconds, 1 minute, 10 minutes. It doesn't matter how long you stay on, as long as you click on it and you give me a support, or even if you think about watching it and you don't watch this time and you come back another time and watch, I still do very much appreciate. And don't forget that the goal is to live life on your own terms, and that is what I'm out here doing each and every time I make one of these videos for you. Thank you guys again so much for watching. AB signing out.